Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Biafran Academy of Sciences. The lecture continues on these terrorists. I'm discussing first-class terrorists. I don't have time for the little ones. We will take a look at some historical factor about these terrorists. That will give you a guide for tomorrow. Recently, the Tanzanian Prime Minister died. A nice guy, loved by everybody. He died. But all these dictators and criminals and armed robbers we have in Africa, none of them is dead. And everybody, he died. I was listening for people to tell me the cause of death. Nobody have told me why he died. Did he have stroke? Did he have blood clot? Did he have hepatitis? Did he have herpes? Did he have AIDS? Did he have gonorrhea? All of a sudden, a very nice guy died. Mugus in Africa crying and celebrating without asking questions. Why are the other criminals? Why Ivory Coast, Qatar are not dead? Why? Oh, this one is the only one that died. If you go to IGBO in Imo State and in the morning, ada say itetegola, ada say bogochi, ada say nemachanya. Africans are not here nemachanya. All Western multinational oil corporations are terrorist organizations. I'm speaking with authority. This is Political Science 800. All Western oil corporations are terrorist organizations. If you don't give them oil block, if they don't do as they please, they will remove your government. Let me tell you right now. Indonesia, 1960s, 2 million dead. Henry Kissinger supported Sukarno of Indonesia to eliminate the people that wants to take care of ordinary Indonesians. In the purge that ensued, 2 million dead. That is why it becomes very dangerous to sit in a country where you have these recalcitrants with gun and you don't have your own. It's better you create the kind of condition Boko Haram have created in Madugri. Anarchy. This is where ESN fit in. Thank God none of us is opposing ESN. Some of us differ in the secrecy of operation, which is very good. Anybody saying ESN is not good must be out of his mind. 2 million dead in Indonesia. 2 million. Jakarta, Indonesia. Aided by Henry Kissinger, American Secretary of State. These guys don't have conscience. That's why I call them terrorists. Did he stop there? The elected government of Chile, Salvadoran Allende, socialist government, democratically elected, just like you elect socialist government in Sweden, Norway, Denmark, and Britain. Britain have a socialist government under Labour Party. What happened? He was taking care of people. Abapaya. Well, Pinochet killed 700,000 people. Generalismo Agostino Pinochet killed 700,000 people. On your engineer, CIA. Let me cut this thing short. The same terrorists moved to Cuba. They tried almost 300 to 500 times to kill Fidel Castro. Cuba have the best medical. Cuba have. They tried to destroy it 500 times. Cuba back. They think you can't do anything until you strike back. Follow their own person to Bokwana na Kesi Hachi Bundos. But these criminals, these terrorists, they are cowards. They like to call other people terrorists, but they are the major terrorists. Has he stopped there? Democratically elected government in Iran, Mohammed Mossadegh, was overthrown by America and Britain. Why? He audited the Anglo-Iranian Oil Corporation. When I call this oil company terrorists, people start talking. People are got a gun. I've been inside these people. I know their games left and right. Anglo Oil Corporation of Iran was audited. The company refused to comply with the laws of Iran. Hello? They make laws. They make legislation. They obey. Hello? They audited them. They refused to comply with the law. Hello? They refused to comply with the law. Make a law. They come and follow you. If you make a law, they follow it. Iranian Anglo Oil Corporation was audited behind the Zushi oil. Amia 20 barrels, as not two. It was audited. They refused to comply with the law. The Iranian president nationalized Yanya. Britain was preparing commando to take the oil refinery Halona, Iran. After weighing that they cannot be able to take it, they result in engineering coup. They removed the president that was trying to take care of everybody and put the share of Iran. Share of Iran na no America. Until Islamic Revolution of 1979. Millions died. Nigeria should make a law. When the company they come to obey, the white man will tell you he's not going to obey your law when you hear, man. They will tell you British Petroleum in Nigeria will ban Nigerian military from coming to their compound. That's why all these Western, listen very carefully. Somebody will come here and ask me a useless question. Did you say Chinese oil corporation is a terror? I didn't call Chinese. I didn't call Japanese. I didn't call India. All Western oil corporations are terrorist organizations. Bolivarian revolution in Venezuela, Hugo Chavez. Venezuela with Orinoco Belt in Venezuela is one of the largest deposits of oil in the world. Orinoco Belt. The Venezuelans in Diego, just like Nigeria, until the Bolivarian revolution came into place by Hugo Chavez. A copy of the tendency of Fidel Castro. America Sotesi, how many times have they tried to destabilize the place? All Venezuelan Petroleum Corporation in America, they seized it. Abuna Venezuela, the smart, when with a friendship with China and Russia, they could have been screwed. How many times did Trump want to push down that government? This young man in Ethiopia came to give Ethiopians light. He built a dam. Trump was telling Egyptians to bomb the dam. Boko Haram is a terrorist. Somebody play nigga be to the dam bomb or half in the Naronia, more half neighboring villages in Akbato. Because we Africans, we don't want to think. Now, one area you have two functions: sit up and challenge these guys, or you'll be wiped out of the surface of the earth. These guys are they don't give a shit. Terrorists continue. British and the American attitude to Africa. Akwa picture ka tori ihe Fulani gburu na Abakaliki. Attack ebido gbube. Did you see Prime Minister of Britain talk? Did you see American president talk and say, hey, that killing in Nigeria must stop? Chimezie Queen on South Africa. Biko, just bugodo umwanya ndị ọcha ịtọ. One in a baby boy. Jay, that is God. He got known at the whole world. Then you will see stupid Nigerians who know what. After on Facebook, oh, my heart to go to those white family. Hey, that's not how to do things. You can't do things like that. Hey, God bless this. Hey, they're killing you and dumping on the street side. Nobody cares. Nobody talks about you because you're black. Ebo black, amu. Because Boko Haram, they go to South Africa, just go to 3 whites. Then we gas Boko Haram hideouts. They're taking you for granted. Somebody taking you for granted and in getting himself involved in your business is a terrorist. You have to define your own terrorist. Define here. That is the mistake we make in Africa. Now, we have identified the first order of terrorists. Western Oil Corporation, they in Eastern Nigeria, they are terrorists. We have identified that. American and British imperialists, they are terrorists. We have identified that. The president of Nigeria, which is part of the pseudo elites of Africa, is a terrorist. It's in Eastern Nigeria. And the governors of Eastern Nigeria, they are part of the pseudo African elites. They are terrorists. The army and police that is there are also terrorists. And the members that went to Senate, those people that are in Senate and the House of Representatives, they are all terrorists. So if you are in a place where terrorists is everywhere, the only way you will survive is to arm yourself. That's what ESN is doing. You better buy your own gun. Tell ESN, I'm in support of you people, but I need my own in case before when lute chebendo. Okay, hold on, Bakaleka na ESN move there, but before fe lute, the mother didn't go na. Open and the mother neighbor want Jebe. Han and the Fulani and our body before ESN Abaza double cross. So I will tell all Igbos now, I've started saying it. There is a war tax on every Igbo man. And I was what me like money like her. We got to arm ourselves. That's what ESN is doing because terrorists is everywhere.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.